Hey, I recently updated the studio, so let's dive in and take a look. Aside from this shelf in my backdrop, to the right of my desk is another desk where I film all of my top-down shots using this tripod and this dojo mat, which I highly recommend. Links of all the items in this setup in the description if you're interested in anything from this video. I have some lens and glass cleaner, extra cables, etc. on the left of the dojo mat for quick access when filming. Moving to the autonomous standing desk though, we have the full setup. Now I've had this desk for a while now, but I absolutely love its versatility and size. Logitech MX keys and mouse, the Apple M1 Max Mac Studio base model, which I got for a solid deal trading in my M1 Mac Mini recently, MacBook Pro for work, and then we have the Shure MV7 USB-C microphone with the mic arm, which I use for all of the audio with all of these devices. Then I have an iPad stand from 12 South for my Apple iPad Air 5 currently, which I've absolutely been loving with that M1 chip. It is incredibly powerful for the price point. Subscribe for that review coming soon. Then the main display, of course, the Apple Studio Display glossy version with the standard stand, not the VESA mount or the sliding other more premium expensive stand, just the standard base stand, which has worked really nice for this overall setup, giving it a pretty clean, solid look with, well, all of these Apple devices. And to wrap up the desk setup, for the lights, I'm using the Elgato Key Light Airs. This setup has been excellent not just for me, but for my son, for example, while he's creating in Roblox Studio. Spending hours a day, whether for my day job or creating content for this channel, has proven efficient and effective with this setup. I'm looking forward to bringing you more from this studio. What are your thoughts? Any recommendations? Leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.